How do you fix muffled microphone sound in virtual meetings? Have you ever joined a virtual meeting only to find that your microphone sounds muffled? It can be frustrating, especially when clear communication is key. Let's talk about how to fix that issue so you can sound your best during your next call. First, check your microphone selection and input volume settings in your meeting software and operating system. If you have multiple microphones, make sure the correct one is selected. Sometimes, the wrong device can be chosen, leading to poor sound quality. If the sound level is low, try increasing the input volume. Next, disable any audio enhancements or signal processing features. These features can sometimes make your voice sound distorted or muffled. On Windows, you can do this by going to the microphone's device properties and unchecking any audio enhancement options. If you are still having issues, consider running the built-in audio troubleshooter. This tool can help identify problems with your microphone settings or drivers. If necessary, update or roll back your audio drivers to fix any software conflicts or corruption. Physical factors also play a role in microphone quality. Make sure your microphone is clean and unobstructed. Position it close to your mouth for the best sound. Using an external microphone or headset can significantly improve clarity compared to built-in laptop microphones. Before your meetings, take a moment to test your microphone. This simple step can save you from awkward situations and ensure your audio is clear. In virtual meeting etiquette, clear microphone use is essential. Muffled sound can make it hard for others to understand you, leading to disengagement. By adjusting your settings and maintaining your hardware, you present yourself professionally. Remember, clear communication is the goal. Following these steps will help you overcome common technical barriers and ensure your message is heard without strain. So, next time you prepare for a virtual meeting, keep these tips in mind to avoid muffled microphone sound.